Investigation is still on, and
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim ula pentep ba ka District Police ka pynkhreh ba ya ka jingpen bai hak bai dei bar ka jingrakhe ya ka Independence Day ka ba propose nam khang ma pentikna ba ka jingrakhe kan long ka ba sngan bar khlam kan kono ka jingja ula ong ba pulu kan long ka wi na ka jingrakhe ka ba he tam ha ka jala ha ba on penlong ya ka jingpen her lama bar ka jingyat parit kis subdivision hasora bat penuslaru kin penlong ya kapari bat ki program kerpang.
the district police has made elaborate arrangements for the 80th Independence Day celebrations. We have the biggest flag hoisting in the state in Polo, and the two subdivisions, Sora and Punusna, also will be having separate parades and functions there in those subdivisions. With regard to the security arrangements, deployments have been made in several places, and all vulnerable places have been covered. The district police is in a state of alert, and we will ensure that this is incident-free Independence Day. So tactical teams and regular teams are all in place.
Are you deploying any additional forces or what?
Additional forces have come to the district, and they have been deployed in various places 24/7.
How many companies, sir?
I will not give you the exact number of companies, but several companies are here.
And hawkers from pynkhreh area will be removed. So how will be the security arrangements, sir?
We will endeavor to ensure that all these protests or the eviction drives, rallies and all that will be incident free, they will be peaceful. Most of these programs, permissions have been sought for, conditions have been laid, and we will make elaborate and adequate security arrangements for all these events.
So, sir, for this for 17th, sir?
Well, we will see the security personnel or strength we have right now is adequate. We will see and gauge the situation as and when it's required. Then we can always pull in the reserves anytime.
Sir, provide.
We use drones for every mega event and all that, and drones from the district will be put in place and all that, and yes, they'll be used for surveillance. The investigation is still on, and we'll be having a review very soon.
First suspect, sir.
I said, investigation is on. Yeah.